Hello again, that's a 10 by 10 inch canvas, and this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a desire to do one more painting. And I think I'm just going to use my Anita's White Metallic. Wow, there's a lot of bubbles in there. And some colors that I like. And I may use some cell activator, and I may not. This is some Meeden black. And I'm just going to let that shift. Actually, I'm going to add some Decor Americana 24 karat gold that has orange in it. Some of my Arteza fiery red. Some of my Folk Art color shifting purple. A little bit of electric blue. Till it seems as though I might have a puddle the right size. Usually I'm looking at these colors like this in a pan of colors and I'm like, oh, those are nice. And I'd love to keep those. And then I never do it. But this time I think I might. The orange that I want is not open, and I bet there's another orange around here. This one will come out just enough to do what I need to do. No, it won't. I'm not gonna watch that explode into my painting. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. I have some hot orchid. And a little bit of magenta. A little more black. Ooh, I've got some of this dairy lid, which is my Sargent's yellow with some unicorn spit wood stain, but I think you could use just a little bit of orange and it would be fine. I think I'm going to go for some of the some of the Folk Art color shifting turquoise, a little bit of my Prussian blue, that's usually Grumbacher. Then I will go back again. It's time to mix up some more Anita's. And decide if I like everything that I'm looking at, or if I want to add anything, such as this amethyst from Artist Loft. Yeah, I like that. Maybe a little more electric blue from Arteza. And I think I might have enough paint to go ahead, but it makes me think that I need an edge catcher, and I'm pretty sure that that is correct. So hopefully, I thought there was one right here. I can use this one. This one's small. I'm going to torch first to release the bubbles caught in the paint, because I think we can all see that there are some bubbles caught in the paint. And I do have my cell activators handy if I want them. I actually really love this design right now, right here. And I want to let everything move a little bit toward its edge. And if I don't like how it's going, I will add more colors. Paint will flow to paint, and that paint around the outside edge will definitely just disappear. I am going to use, not the cell activator, but I am going to try and find some of the Meeden white and use it right here, right now, to help that paint go over the edge. Now if you see there's a wave of paint and you can get it to mass so that it will start to fall evenly, which I don't think I can do. You know what? I really don't. I'm going to use some more of that Meeden. I'm probably going to have more paint than I want, but I really want to save these colors, and I think if I want to save them bad enough, I better add some more of every one of them. And that includes the orange. I think that's enough. I love what that hot orchid is doing. It's crazy. Crazy colorful, beautiful. I'm going to let all of that flow across and then back on again. And like I said, I really still can add cell activator if I want to. And yes, I'm sort of manipulating the flow of the paint. Oh, I lost, wow, I lost my hot orchid. That was not part of this plan. I'm going to throw a thumbnail on that edge. I want that hot orchid. I'm seeing some really beautiful cells. I can't wait to find out what happens. Usually I would stop and fill in the paint that's missing. But at this point I'm thinking that I'm just willing to call it good and call it a puddle pour. Take my paint that's sitting right there. Use it to cover my last spot. Torch really quick. Wow. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. The Meeden white and black are both available on my Amazon link, which is included on the link tree, which is the first or second blue link under the video, depending on if there's a place where there are tools being shown. I think I'm going to let this edge catcher dry like it is, because it's going to be pretty too. I torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I also torch to release patterns. If I'm lucky, that happens, and I think that just happened. And I'm ready for the end of my day to come. I wish I hadn't taken that paint away and put it on my low leafy silicone mat, because I have that one little spot that I need. But everything else here is pretty well ready to be called good. I'm going to take any paint that's flowing over the sides, take it off with my finger, so it doesn't continue to pull more paint over with it. And I'm going to have to clean up my turntable. And I see I have one little spot that's weird. So I'm going to add a curve in there. This is a little heavier than I would normally use lately. So I want to tell you I'm still using GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. I lost way too much of my hot orchid. Way. Sometimes I like adding a few dots. And the hot orchid spreads so nicely. It shares its color, shall we say. So, thank you guys for the thumbs up. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching longer. It's really important when you do that. When you watch when the notifications come out, it's a big deal. Also very helpful. If you share my videos, that would be of great assistance, so thank you. My paint pouring recipe is below. Show more underneath the video, along with my cell activator recipe, which I thought about using on my tools, but I like what I have, so I'm going to leave it be. I love you guys. Look on my Amazon link for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And the Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree also has Legalerist clothing made in Montreal. Beautiful all-over print dresses and kimono tops. Investment quality. My community board has tomorrow's video. My Facebook groups are on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Yeah, I should be zooming in. You're right. That's dumb to stand here and talk about a little tiny picture and not do that. I got to clean off my tile in a minute, big time. So, I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Know that there's over 2,100 videos going on, 2,200 videos. They're organized by topic and genre. If you need to get in touch with me, use my email address below the link tree. You can leave me a question in the comments. Feel free. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. PayPal is the way to go, and if you are somebody who helps support the studio by making a donation, you will be automatically included in the monthly drawing. You can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video, included at the end of every video in the last 20 seconds. Spring clothing below the video, much less expensive than Le Gallerist, but still Oliver prints. And if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always ask me for it, and I can put it there, which is really cool. I do sell my artworks, and using the hashtag and the file number from the title of the video will help you. I give lessons at the house, private, one-on-one, lessons, art lessons, boring lessons, whatever kind of lessons of the day, and inquiries are welcome through my email address. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'm pretty sure I said that already. Anyway, it's time for me to quit, and I love you guys. I'll see you on. Bye for now. Priscilla out. 7 days a week and twice on weekends at least. I post my videos, so you can always ask me what's coming. Bye for now. See you soon. Hopefully. Maybe tomorrow.